Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been started the video series of Karnataka Common Entrance Test. So this is our lecture 2. We are solving the question papers from 2014 to 2019, and the topic is matrices. In the first class, I had told you the question paper analysis, and also have been solved question number in the year of 2014 and year of 2015. And today let me to discuss with the year of question paper, which is 2016. So according to in this question, so this is our repeated question. You can see in the year of 2014 and 2016 the question was repeated. If you needed the solution, just pause this video and go to the previous CET class and you get the answer. Now in the year of 2016, and they have been asked one more question, that is, if a is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, then a square minus 5a. I need to calculate what is the value of a square. See here, a square can be written as a into a. That should be equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, and one more a, 3 1 minus 1 2. Now multiply with row into the columns. 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 bracket close, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 1 plus 4. It is also equal to 8, 5, minus 5, and this is 3. It means second row with first column and second row with second column. And also I needed the value of 5a. So just I am going to write here a square minus 5a. A square means what here? 8 5 minus 5 3, and minus of multiplying with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 1 is minus 5, 5 2s are 10. It is equal to what here? 8 minus 15, that is minus 7. 5 minus 5 0, minus 5 plus 5 0, 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So if it is minus 7 be the common term, the remaining value is 1001. It is equal to what here? Minus 7 into I. What is our answer? Option number 4 be the right answer. Now in the year of 2017, so one of the important question, the question is, if a matrix A which is both symmetric and skew symmetric, okay, if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, if A is equal to A dash be the symmetric, if A equal to minus A dash be the skew symmetric. Now substitute the value of A, that should be minus A dash. It means what? Minus A dash is equal to A. So shifted into LHS, that is A dash plus A dash equal to 0, 2 A dash equal to 0, A dash is equal to 0 by 2. If A dash is equal to 0, it means what? Approximately A is also equal to 0. What is our answer? Answer B is the right answer, because A is a 0 matrix. Remember one thing, this is my equation number 1 and equation number 2, because symmetric and skew symmetric. A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. It means equation 1 and 2 holds. That's why I am going to substituting 1 into, then we get this equation, and simplify. A dash will be 0. If A dash is 0 means what? A is also equal to 0. Answer is A is a 0 matrix. Now, again, this is in the year of 2017. I need to find the value of x and y. See here, I need to calculate what is the value of x and y. Now this is scalar multiplication. Multiply with scalar 2, 6, 0 and 2x. Okay, plus y 0, 1, 2. Remember one thing, first we need to multiply with scalar each and every element is also equal to 5, 6, 1 and 8. Now adding these two, I need the value of y only. That's why 2 plus y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 minus 2. Y equal to what here? Y equal to 3. It means option number C be the discarded and D is also discarded. We don't know, either it may be A or B. Let us find the value of x. If 2x plus 2 equal to 8, 2x equal to 8 minus 2, then 2x equal to 6, x is equal to 6 divided by 2 and x is equal to 3. It means what? Option number A be the right answer. Now in the year of 2018, so in this question they have framed a matrix with 2 cross 2, then a to the power of n. N means I need to multiply with a matrix. It means a square. Okay, if n equal to 2, then it is equal to 2 to the power of k. What is the value of k? If a is equal to 2 cross 2, now multiply with a square. A square in the sense of a into a. Now here 2 minus 2 and 2. Again multiply with a. Now multiplying first row in first column. 2 2s are 4 plus 4. 2 2s are minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 4 and plus 4 is equal to what here? 8 minus 8 and 8. Then 4 be the common term. 2 minus 2 and 2. It means 2 square into a. It means what? K equal to 2. Let us see which condition will exist. If n equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, isn't 2 minus 1 is 1, but we need k equal to 2, sorry, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Okay, it may be exist. Here 2 plus 1 is 3, but k equal to 2 here, but we get 3, discarded. 2 minus 1 is 1, it is also discarded. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. The option B and C will be discarded, but still probably either A or D. We doesn't get the value accurate. That's why let him to do that with 3. A cube can be written as, we wrote here a square into a. What is the value of a square? A square is 2 square into 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Again here 2 minus 2 2. So previous multiplication, it is also 2 square into 2 minus 2 2. Already we have multiplied these two. What is the value? The value is 2 square and 2 minus 2 2. It means here 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2 minus 2 2. It means what? 2 to the power of 4. It means k equal to 4. I needed the value of k equal to 4. Let him to see here. I told you B and C will be discarded. Now if n equal to 3, see here, if n equal to 3, 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, that should be equal to 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 means it is 4. Now see here, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square. Okay, if it is 2 square, it is also equal to 4. Now let him check by if n equal to 4. If n equal to 4, it means a square into a square. Okay, what is the value of a square? So 2 square into 2 square into 2 square, that is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Okay, it means 2 to the power of 6. Now value of k equal to 6. If n equal to 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 to the power of, okay, if you're not getting, see here, a square means how much here? A square means the previous calculations, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Again a square means 2 square, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Now here multiply 2 square into 2 square. So 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Again 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. We have been multiplied the previous problem. What we get here? Again we get 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. It means 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 2, because a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of p, a to the power of m plus n plus p. Isn't it? It means what? This is our a. 2 to the power 2, 4, 6. This is 6. Now I need which option will gives us 2 to the power of 6 into a if k equal to 6. Now I have been discarded b and c. If n equal to 3, 3 minus, sorry, n equal to 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. This option is also discarded. Option number D. Option number D. Option number D be the right answer. Later. One more question. If they have given 2 cross 2 matrix, and here now multiplying these two matrices, x into 1 is x plus y, that should be equal to 2, minus x plus y equal to 4. Now by using cancellation method, 2y equal to 6, y equal to 6 divided by 2, and y equal to 3. It means C option and A option will be discarded. Now substituting y equal to 3 in equation number 1. If x plus y equal to 2, x plus 3 equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 3, and x is equal to minus 1. It means option number D be the right answer. And one more example. The question is, what we will get A into A dash? They have given A matrix, A into A dash. It means what here? Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. Now multiply with A transpose. Transpose means what? Interchanging row into the column. Okay. Now multiplying here, first row with first column. Cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Okay. Later, first row with second column, minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Later, second row with first column, minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Later minus into minus, that should be plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. We know the trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, isn't it? It means 1 0 0 1. These two will be cancelled. It means what? The answer is identity matrix, that is the option number D be the right answer. Now the question paper which is in the year of 2019. The question is, if P and Q are symmetric matrices of the same order, then PQ minus QP is. The question is P is symmetric matrix and Q is also symmetric matrix, then PQ minus QP, it means P dash and Q dash minus Q dash and P dash, or else the shortcut method is PQ and QP, that is interchanging rows and columns, isn't it? You can take P is equal to 1 minus 1 0, sorry, this is also, you take symmetric, minus 1 0, okay. Q with the symmetric matrix 0 2 2 1, okay. Now multiplying these two, PQ multiplications, 1 minus 1 minus 1 0, Q means 0 2 2 1. Now here 1 0 0 minus 2 2 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 minus 2 plus 0. It is also equal to minus 2 1 0 and minus 2, okay. Now find the value of QP. Q means 0 2 2 1, P means 1 minus 1 minus 1 0. It is also equal to 0 minus 2 0 plus 0 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 0. Shh. Wait. 5 minutes. Now here simplify. Now simplify here, minus 2 0 1 minus 2, okay. This is my QP. Now PQ minus QP, PQ is minus 2 1 0 minus 2 minus QP is minus 2 0 1 minus 2. Now simplify here, minus 2 of plus 2 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 of minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. It means skew symmetric matrix. Option number D be the right answer. Now, so this is one of the important question. 3a plus 4b dash. B dash means transpose of P. That should be equal to the resultant, and 2b minus 3a dash. This is the resultant. I need to calculate what is the matrix will contain B. So remember one thing, but here B dash, we know the property of transpose A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, isn't it? The same property we are using here. Now 3A plus 4B dash, that should be whole transpose is equal to 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31 whole dash. Okay, using the transpose property. Now using transpose, 3a dash plus 4b dash of whole dash is equal to, now the transpose of the given matrix, 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31. Okay, now the resultant is 3a dash plus 4b is equal to 70 minus 10 6 70 31. Now I need to apply in equation number 2. So what is our equation number 2? That is minus 3a dash plus 2b, that should be equal to minus 1 18 4 7 sorry 40 minus 5 minus 7. Now using cancellation, these two will be cancelled. 4b plus 2b, that is 6b is equal to, adding these two, 7 0 minus 10 6 17 31 plus minus 1 18 4 0 minus 5 minus 7, adding these two, 7 minus 1 6 0 plus 18 18 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 6 plus 0 6 17 minus 5, that is 12, 31 minus 7, that is 24. Now here 6b, b equal to, divide by 6, 1 3 minus 2 1 2 and 4. Option number D be the, sorry, what I did mistake here, 31 4 minus 2, sorry, here minus 1, sorry, minus 1 1 2 4. It means 1 3 minus 1 1 2 4. Option number A be the right answer. Okay, thank you for watching this.